Guys, pack your bags. Olumo Rock is officially reopened after its stunning renovation. And guess what? Entry is currently free. One of Nigeria's most iconic historical landmarks just got a major glow up. In this video, we're diving into everything new at Olumo Rock, what's changed, what to expect, and why now is the perfect time to visit.
The governor of Ogun State, they are promoting this our culture, the cultural heritage, which is Olumo. The governor has done it all. The governor of the people has made it happen.
Introduced what we now call the e-ticketing of Olumo Rock tourist complex. This allows for two options for booking. One is the online ticketing and the other is the on-site ticketing.
From now to probably sometime in September, Olumo Rock will be open to the public free of charge. We are not charging anybody. We are inviting you to come and experience Olumo Rock free of charge. Come and see. Come and inspire. Be inspired by the richness of the State heritage.
Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I share first-hand access to exclusive locations, updates, and events around Lagos and Nigeria as a whole. Thanks as you subscribe. Olumo Rock, one of Nigeria's most iconic natural and historical monuments, has long stood as a symbol of the Egba people's heritage, resilience, and spiritual identity. Located in Abeokuta, Ogun State, Olumo Rock has served both as a tourist attraction and a sacred site, drawing thousands of visitors annually. However, Olumo Rock had suffered from years of neglect, aging infrastructure, and limited modernization. In 2025, the Ogun State government undertook a bold and visionary renovation project that has since transformed Olumo Rock into a vibrant hub of culture, tourism, and economic activity.
Olumo Rock is our foremost tourist attraction site in Ogun State. I believe in the last 1 year, it attracted over 20,000 tourists in 2024. Beyond that, this tourist site represents our very deep culture, history, and tradition. And we must do everything to protect them and ensure that they are sustained, because they remain our connection between the present and the past. And long after many of us are gone, they will continue to remind our successor generations of where we all came from and our history. So I've come here to see for myself the state of our foremost tourist attraction site, which is Olumo Rock. And I must commend those who have continued to look after this place. I think that this place can receive better attention, to put it the least. And it will receive best attention from now on. Now the tables have finally turned to tourism. And we're now going to be very deliberate about pushing the frontier in a tourist development.
The renovation officially began on April 14th, 2025, when the Olumo Rock Tourist Complex was closed to the public to allow for a comprehensive upgrade. This initiative was not merely a facelift, but a strategic repositioning effort to elevate the site to world-class standards. Governor Dapo Abiodun, who spearheaded the project, emphasized the importance of integrating heritage preservation with modern tourism development. His administration envisioned Olumo Rock not just as a historical monument, but as a nucleus of a broader cultural and economical revival in Ogun State. The complex was officially reopened on July 31st, 2025, with Governor Abiodun declaring free entry for all visitors till the end of December. This gesture was not only a celebration of the successful completion of the project, but also a strategic move to drive foot traffic, boost local commerce, and reinvigorate public interest in cultural tourism.
Alhamdulillah, a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run, mo dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gómìnà mi Dapo Abiodun pé bọ́n ṣe bá wa tún Olúmọ ṣe, Olúmọ wà òkè, mo dẹ̀ ti wà nínú Olúmọ nísìn, ó ti lọ bí ọdún mẹ́wàá. Bọ́n ṣe wá bá wa ṣe nísìn, ó wà òkè gidi gan.
I'm so happy today. Today is one of my happiest days that our governor of the people, the governor of Ogun State, they are promoting this our culture, the cultural heritage, which is Olumo. The governor has done it all. The governor of the people has made it happen. Now that we are in Olumo Rock, any president that visits Nigeria, we are going to make sure they visit Olumo Rock.
A rí nígbà tá a wọlé ohun mèremère la rí. A kí gómìnà wa kú iṣẹ́ takuntakun, iṣẹ́ ló ṣe fún wa gan. Ibi ìtún dàbí ìgbà ọ̀tun. Ó wá dàbí ìgbà pé mi ò tiẹ̀ gbólúmọ rí. Àbí mi ò mọ̀ nǹkan tó wà ń bẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀, everything change. Gbogbo ẹ̀ wà bí ìgbà pa wà l'Amẹ́ríkà, a wà nílùú èyìnbó, ó wà òkè, ó make sense, ó sì sense gan ni. Iṣẹ́ ni gómìnà wa ṣe.
Prince Dapo Abiodun, with his visionary leadership, introduced what we now call the e-ticketing of Olumo Rock tourist complex. This allows for two options for booking. One is the online ticketing and the other is the on-site ticketing.
Throughout the entire summer, meaning that from now to probably sometime in September, Olumo Rock will be open to the public free of charge. We are not charging anybody. We are inviting you to come and experience Olumo Rock free of charge. Come and see. Come and inspire. Be inspired by the richness of the State heritage.
Key improvements include the construction of a galleria featuring portraits and artworks of prominent Nigerians, a modern restaurant offering both local and continental cuisine, and artisan shops selling Adire fabrics and crafts. The infrastructure was also modernized with the addition of new elevators powered by standby generators, ensuring accessibility for all visitors. These upgrades have significantly enhanced the visitor experience. Guys, pause and like the video. If this video gets 500 likes, I will travel to Ogun State to make a full tour video on the newly renovated Olumo Rock. So please like, subscribe and share to your family and friends if you want to make this happen. To ensure the longevity and sustainability of the site, the state government also announced plans to concession the complex to a reputable organization for professional management. This public-private partnership approach is designed to maintain high operational standards and attract continued investment. One of the most notable aspects of the renovation is the integration of art and entertainment. In partnership with Terra Culture and Nike Art Gallery, the government initiated the development of a film and entertainment village within the vicinity of Olumo Rock. This bold move places Olumo Rock at the intersection of heritage, creativity, and innovation, reinforcing Ogun State's ambition to become a leading cultural tourism destination in West Africa. Quick note on the online ticketing system. I couldn't find any official link for online booking on their pages or websites. Maybe because entry is still free until the end of September. So if you are planning a visit, just show up and enjoy for now. I'll keep you guys updated if anything changes or once the online system goes live. Since its extension to Abeokuta in 2021, the Lagos-Ibadan Standard Gauge Railway has become a game changer for tourism in Ogun State. especially for one of Nigeria's most iconic heritage sites, Olumo Rock. Here is how this modern transport system is reshaping the tourism experience. 1. Easier access, more comfort. The new train line features a dedicated station in Abeokuta, cutting time travel and eliminating the stress of navigating Nigeria's congested highways. For visitors from Lagos or Ibadan, what used to be an unpredictable and tiring 3 to 5 hour road trip is now a smooth 1 hour rail journey. Commuters often praise the railway's comfort, air conditioning, affordability, and consistent schedule, making it ideal for both spontaneous day trips and weekend excursions. Two, surge in visitors' numbers. Before the railway, Olumo Rock saw fewer than 20,000 tourists annually. Since the launch of the Abeokuta stop, government projections have aimed to increase that number to over 100,000 visitors per year through improved accessibility and added attractions like the new naked art gallery on site. 3. Boosts to the local economy. With the surge of food traffic, local businesses are thriving. Tourists spending on food stalls, souvenir shops, guides, and transport services has led to a ripple effect in the Abeokuta economy. There has also been growth in hospitality investments from boutique hotels and transport services to cultural events and local crafts, creating more job opportunities for the surrounding communities. 4. A more relaxed tourist experience. Visitors say the train journey is not just safer, but more enjoyable. The route offers a scenic, peaceful alternative to road travel and allows for a more laid-back, also free start to any cultural adventure. This has made Olumo Rock feel closer, more accessible, and more appealing to younger tourists, families, and international visitors alike. The Lagos-Ibadan train line has redefined tourism at Olumo Rock, transforming it from a weekend-only destination into a convenient and appealing day trip from two of Nigeria's busiest cities. With better infrastructure, growing awareness, and expanded cultural offerings, Olumo Rock is once again taking its place as a must-visit site in Nigerian tourism. The renovation of Olumo Rock carries significant implications. Beyond aesthetics and infrastructure, it underscores the potential of cultural sites to drive economic development. It creates opportunities for local artisans, tour guides, performers, and vendors, while also encouraging pride and awareness of Nigeria's rich historical legacy.
First of all, era ọkọ̀ jóná sí Anthem Ẹ̀gbá. A little backstory. Do you know back in the day, the Egba people used this rock as a safe haven during the time of war? It gave Egba a sense of community, unity, and strength in the face of danger. The Ogun State government, under the leadership of Governor Dapo Abiodun, has remembered that history and given Olumo Rock a beautiful new face. This is not just significant, it shows how intentional the government is about the progress of the state, making it a true one-stop destination for tourism.
Let the world come and experience the beauty, the history,
and here's the exciting part. From locals to Nigerians everywhere, and even our friends from the international community, everyone is welcome to experience this beauty of history for free this summer. Now tell me, isn't that thoughtful? Let me know in the comments what stories of Olumo Rock have you heard, and how significant is this place to Egba people. I'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to tag that one person you would like to experience this beauty with.
Please like, comment, and share this video if you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.